Make sure you're buying the original Dream Drop and not something that pretends to be that. This one is from Toys and it is one of my favorite fidgets. Look at how shiny and beautiful it is when they arrive. So it comes with its own little stand, its little range, which is a little bit squishy as well. But oh my goodness, this is a good squish. If you like the Nice Cube and the Gumdrop, you are going to love this. It is super soft and squishy. It's a sensory experience, and they're on special offer at the moment. So I will tag this for you and enjoy the original and the best Nee Doh Dream Drop. The original and the best Nee Doh Dream Drop from Toys.